Welcome to Inside YouTube. If you're wondering what YouTube is, think of it as a global video sharing community. You can find just about anything on this platform, from cat videos to high-quality productions. Originally founded in 2005, YouTube was created with the intention of allowing people to upload and share videos with anyone across the world. Today, YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users, making it the second largest search engine in the world after Google. From beauty tutorials to vlogs to live streams and more, YouTube is where creators from all walks of life can showcase their talents and interests. Not only can you upload and watch videos, but you can also leave comments, like videos, and even subscribe to your favorite channels. This allows you to keep up with your favorite creators and ensures that you don't miss out on their latest content. YouTube's revenue model revolves around ads, which allow creators to earn money for their content. This ad revenue is split between YouTube and the creator depending on the creator's partnership agreement. So, whether you're a casual viewer or a creator, YouTube is a platform that allows you to share, watch and discover content. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.